Good day, everyone! In this video, I will be teaching sound isolation. Sound isolation is one of the critical phonemic awareness skills that students should learn. According to www.readingrockets.org, phonemic awareness refers to the specific ability to focus on and manipulate individual sounds or phonemes in spoken words. In short, phonemic awareness is equal to the ability to handle sounds in words. Now, what is sound isolation? Sound isolation, or in other words, phoneme isolation, happens when we break down the sounds in a word. For example, the word dog. It is composed of three different sounds: d, a, g. The sound of the letter D is the first sound, the sound of the letter O is the second sound, and the sound of the letter G is the last or third sound. Here's another example. The word mat. It is also made up of three different sounds: m, a, t. What is the second sound in the word mat? That's right! It is the sound a. Let us have one more example. The word mint has four different sounds: m, e, n, t. What is the third sound in the word mint? That's right, the sound n. As what you saw, once we break down the sounds, we achieve sound isolation. This phonemic awareness skill may come easy to some children. However, others may be seen struggling in identifying different sounds. Some children may only be able to isolate sounds in single-syllable words, but they will tackle much bigger words with ease after a while with continuous practice.